One more raga I had used in the experiment was Hindustani Kapi. This raga was played in flute, violin and veena. It was almost like a jugalbandi with mridangam and tabla. Wonderful impact it had on the patients. And to stimulate the mind, I had used Kedara Gowda. Sari ma pa ni sa it was used. Then Athana. The experiment resulted, I had compared the psychological well-being before and after by using a few social scales. Definitely, there was a significant improvement in the psychological well-being of 10 clients. instruments. I mean, of course, the sampling was very low, but it was a pilot study, so I had to take up only 10 cases. Positive, I mean, significant improvement in the psychological well-being and the optimistic approach towards life, optimistic attitude had improved. Of course, counseling was there, but still music therapy was the predominant therapeutic tool I had used. It was published in the book Music, Mind and Mental Health, published by Gerontological Research Institute. In my music therapy center, I am using music therapy for children with multiple challenges like autism, then lower IQ, and other multiple disorders like neurological cerebral palsy and speech problem and some behavioral problems. So many, I mean, multiple challenges. Children are coming to my center. I have been working for the past almost 6 years on this special needs children. What I have found is there has been significant improvement in their total well-being. That is, restlessness has come down, and especially for autism, they will be in their own world. It's very difficult to bring them to the reality. They will sit for a long time after. It's a very long-term process. We can't expect radical changes or improvements. We also, therapists also need to have a lot of patience and a good compassion and love towards such children. It's a time-consuming process. Over a period of time, I have observed they'll sit for a long time to listen to music, and they respond to, if I call them, Harsha, look here, they look. That eye-to-eye contact is something very, very, it's improving like anything. And listening to music for a longer duration, it is the span of time is increasing day by day. And they try to relate to parents. And parents say that if music class times comes, they will ask, some children have speech problem also. They will pull her to bring them to, asking them to bring to the music class. And it is an integrated school in our this thing. You will see in the documentary film like what improvements we have found. My husband is teaching Mridangam for autistic children. They really enjoy a lot that rhythmic this thing. Comparatively, I mean, vocal does definitely significant improvement. Mridangam is helping them a lot. They enjoy the rhythmic, that beats. Now I request Mr. Sriram to explain the impact of rhythm on human mind, and he's going to play us with various strokes, like what impact it can have.